You know what? I wasn't even planning on doing the video today, at least not on conditioning my hair, but you know what? I decided just go ahead and do it. Why not just go ahead and close out 2022 with a deep conditioning session? So if you're interested in seeing what new to me product I'm using today to deep condition this hair, stay tuned. Okay, welcome and welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and today I'm about to deep condition this hair. I'm going to go ahead and end out the year and begin the new year 2023 with some deep conditioned hair. And my hair has been dry, thirsty, and I just got done doing a detox treatment. So let's go ahead and get into this. Okay, as you can see, we have another product from Annabelle's Perfect Blend. Today I'm going to be trying out the Honey Molasses Conditioning Treatment. This is in an 8-ounce jar, and I'm just going to let you just take a look at it. Just look at it with me. It look good, right? I'll tell you more about it a little bit later. Okay, so as you just saw, we're going to go ahead and use the Annabelle's Perfect Blend Honey Molasses Conditioning Treatment. Honey, molasses, in this hair? Okay, let's see what we can do. So, as you saw, this is nice and creamy. I can tell you it's smooth, it's not sticky. You think honey, you think sticky. Well, this is not sticky, okay? And this, let me see, just some of the ingredients. Has water in it, blackstrap molasses, organic honey, Jamaican black castor seed oil, we have wheat germ oil, sunflower oil. That's just a few of the ingredients. Sounds all good to me. All I need right now is to get this nicely deep conditioned, and I want to make sure I'm able to detangle my hair because I haven't detangled a speck of this hair, and because I detoxed it, we didn't bring back the moisture. So let's go ahead and just get right on into it. Okay, so as I said, I did not detangle my hair for the purpose of seeing what this could do for me. So feels good. All right, it's smoothing on. With this, there's not really a scent to it at all. Yeah, it's like I can't really smell anything at all. Maybe it's just, you know, the oils and you know, the honey's in it, but I would say this is non-scented. So this feels good in my hands, and it feels good smoothing through my hair, and I feel it beginning to do its thing. Y'all, I want to close my eyes and just do this, but you know what? I'm doing it myself. It'd be different if somebody else is doing it for me, but I need to keep my eyes open. Okay. Y'all, got my eyes open, but I am not looking in the mirror, so I'm just feeling this. Just feeling it in my hair and going from there. Okay. So it's easy to spread, and it is helping me begin to detangle. there's proof right there with the detangling. Okay. There we go. That detangled hair out of the way. Okay. And there we go. Woo. There we go. That's what I needed, and that's what I wanted. Okay. So you get the point. So far, so good. Yeah, so far, so good. Woo, my hair needed that. Y'all let me know. Have you did a deep conditioner in your hair this month, the month of December? If you haven't, this is your sign to go ahead and do it. Don't go into 2023 with dry, thirsty hair that's not clean and deep conditioned. Don't do it. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and finish my hair, show y'all what it looks like once it is done. Then once that happens, I will go and cover my hair with 2 plastic caps or 1, depending on what I decide to do, and sit underneath a thermal heat cap and then wash it out. But as you can see here, we're getting there. Detangled. My hair feels like, you know, somebody loves it. Because, you know, before it was a dry mess. It was sitting up there looking real unloved and parched. So anyway, I'll be back. Okay. Look at that. My hair feels good. And it ain't even sat on here. Let me see, where are the directions? Directions: apply to damp, clean hair, leave on for up to 30 minutes. Use with or without heat weekly for best results. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and use mine with my thermal heat cap and let this do its thing. But I can tell you right now, my hair feels good. What a way to come back after a hair and scalp detox with a moisturizing and hydrating deep conditioner. All right, y'all, I'll be back in 30 to see what my hair is looking like. It's been about 40 minutes, so let's see what we have. I know one thing, my hair feel good. like night and day, y'all. Night and day from where it was. Okay, so let me go ahead and wash this out. Okay, y'all. And this is what it looks like when your hair is deep conditioned. This is pretty. My hair is soft, definitely hydrated, moisturized, no hairs are snapping, feels good, and the natural texture of my hair is popping through. Look at that. Ooh, that's pretty. So y'all, let me know what you think about this. The results of my deep conditioning session using Annabelle's Perfect Blend Honey Molasses Conditioning Treatment. Have you tried this before? Did you try this before me? Let me know in the comments. Do you plan on trying this now that you've seen me use it? Let me know in the comments. Oh, I'm not disappointed whatsoever. So anyway, if you're interested in this product or any other products that I have reviewed on this channel on my own head, make sure you check out my Annabelle's Perfect Blend playlist right here on my channel if you haven't had a chance yet. If you want to wait till the end to see the results before you decide to press that button to subscribe, girl, go ahead and do that. We done. Go ahead and subscribe. Get that out of the way. If you're new to my channel and you've come back, thank you for coming back. I appreciate you. I hope you have subscribed. And if you're not brand new to my channel, you've been coming here for quite a while, but you still haven't subscribed yet, girl, now, for real, for real. And if you're already subscribed and you have been here for a while, or you haven't been, thank you for coming back. Thank you for sticking in this rose garden that we've built up here, and hope that we build up even further. Ooh, my hair feel good. What a way to get ready to go into 2023. So I just wanted to say from me to you, from Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, I hope you all have a wonderful holiday. I hope you have a wonderful New Year's. This year coming up is going to be something special. I just know it. I just know it. Other than that, roses, I will talk to you later. Bye.